Hey, check this out. We are, well, actually, right now it's just me at the moment, starting the journey, going to Louisville for our regional meeting, for a central regional meeting for Rare Breed. And right now, we waited for the weather to clear up. It's actually really clear. As you can see, it's still very chilly, but it's not icy and it's not rainy. So I think we'll be in good shape. And I get to kill two birds with one stone. I get to go see my mama as well up in Louisville area, actually south of Louisville, but I'm gonna go see my mom, check her out for a little while, and have a good time, fellowship, waiting on the brothers. I'll see you there. If you happen to be in Louisville, come check us out. Peace. I love riding with others. It's one of the reasons I joined Rare Breed in the first place. But there is something so serene and peaceful when you can get on the road alone, just you and the highway, and a few others on the road that I must pay attention to. But at the same time, let my thoughts roam free and relax. This is truly therapeutic for me, as I've mentioned many times before. I guess you knew where I had to come to. You knew I had to make my way to Buc-ee's one way or another. This is the new one over in Athens, just before you get to the state line in Tennessee. And I hadn't been to this one yet before. Yeah, I'm stopping. I'm by myself, so I had a little bit of time to fuel up and fuel up. So, making my quick stop, but had to make it to Buc-ee's. I didn't get a sandwich or any banana pudding this time, but maybe on the way back. Sunday, I'll stop by and get some banana pudding. I'm gonna get some banana pudding before the week is over. Y'all know that. Anyway, before I forget, if you like this, please hit that subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and everything else. So, I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. Well, what do we have here? Two more brothers from Rare Breed heading in the same direction at the same time. One on twos and one in a cage, but rolling just the same. It's okay, as it was forecasted to have some ice on the road, so it really was an individual decision in this case. Now, I am not going to show you all the activities that went on in Louisville. This is a video more of the ride and the thrill of the ride, to get to the destination and return safely every time. However, I do want to show some of the camaraderie that we share when we are on the road together as brothers. This is the kind of friendship that you just cannot buy. We all have a passion to get on the road, fellowship, and make memories that last a lifetime.
I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings.
Hey, welcome back. So we have wrapped up the 2023 Central Region meetings in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm heading back down to Birmingham, Alabama. So I'm going to catch up with the rest of the brothers. We're going to make this a fun trip, a safe trip, and it's a beautiful day. It's going to be dry and sunny the rest of the day. It's still going to be a little chilly, of course. It's still going to be a little chilly, but we're gonna have the sun on our side, so it will warm up throughout the day. We may get a high about 50, give or take. So I may actually shed a couple of these layers in a little bit. So in the meantime, wish us peace, wish us safety, and I'll see y'all soon. Actually, we'll see you in just a few minutes when I catch up to the rest of the brothers. So stay tuned. There go one of my brothers right there. What they call him, the best sponsor in the world. What's up, man? You on camera, baby?
Oh, okay.
This one right here.
You know it, baby.
Yeah,
It's
you
really
know.
cold.
It's
That's
cold. Yeah,
cold.
hey, you look cold. I was
Hey,
I was
I am
telling him
cold.
it was cold out here. Now you're giving proof.
Oh
You,
yeah,
you can
it's
see it.
cold.
It's cold out here. Even though it says 49 degrees, there's a wind chill factor out here. Oh, I left my lights on. Let me go ahead and turn those off real quick. And here comes the other one, Big Will. He took the wrong direction. That's all right. The rest of the brothers showed up and he took the wrong turn. It's all good, baby.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in bravado. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long.
Hey, we keep going or what we doing? We're gonna stop at the
Hey, we're gonna stop at Buc-ee's.
We gotta get some gas. That's the Buc-ee's about 40 miles.
Well, you already knew. And I had promised y'all I was coming back to Buc-ee's when I made it back up this way. So I have, as you can see. We've made it back up in here. But it's not just me. I'm not by myself this time. There's a few of us. Anyway, I'm gonna grab me a sandwich. And you know I'm gonna grab me some of that banana pudding. You know it's one of my favorites over here. And a little something to drink. In the meantime, oh, you don't wanna watch me eat. This is gonna be good. Just in case you didn't believe me, I told you I wasn't by myself. What's going on? Everybody had to come to Buc-ee's.
Rare breed or nothing, baby.
Rare breed or nothing, baby.
You said so. I think I might go give me another.
Shit, let me give you some money.
I'm gonna go buy the one and leave.
Oh, okay.
What y'all talking about? Something good?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'll tell you what's good. That banana pudding, baby. So.
Man, turkey good.
But they got, but I come in here at nighttime, come get me a big old BLT sandwich. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know I'm about to get in this banana pudding.
Another one of these?
You want another one of them?
Yeah. Oh, right now.
I just don't like roll up the house.
tell you.
Yeah, let them know you there.
I appreciate you.
Oh,
But then they said they was waiting. I was like,
This is good.
what you waiting on us? The damn pipe if you go.
They weren't waiting on no damn.
I'm gonna be late going home.
Yeah, they were.
As you can see, we made touchdown over at the Nest, right here in Birmingham. Ooh, that sun in my eyes. Hold on, thank you. Turn around. A couple people took the wrong exit. There's 3 different ways to get here. We took all 3 different ways. I took the fastest route, which made it a little bit easier. So we're waiting on the rest of them to come in. I think I hear a couple of them now. But we've made it home safely. Thank you for all the thoughts and prayers and everything else. I went live on a couple other videos. So again, for those who on Facebook, so those who send in thoughts and prayers and ride safely and all the good stuff, man, I really appreciate it. We all do, as a matter of fact. We all appreciate that. That's what we do. And we're home. So again, remember to kick that like and subscribe button, and that helps the channel out a lot. And we'll keep producing these more of these videos. We have another run coming up. We'll be in Miami, so if you're going to be in Miami at the end of February, the weekend of the 25th, meet me there. Beat me there and meet me there. So, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. All right, peace. Love on 2 wheels.